The T-sheet maintenance program allows you the opportunity to tailor an open T-sheet to meet the club's exact needs for the day. This program is also useful to delete an open T-sheet if it was incorrectly assigned to the wrong template. To edit an open T-sheet, navigate to Tee Time Management, Processing, and T-sheet Maintenance. Then go ahead and select your club. Note that no one else can be accessing the T-sheet at the same time as you, as the sheet is locked by workstation. Next, select the golf course and the T-sheet date you would like to adjust. This screen and its buttons function in much the same way as the T-sheet template program do. However, it allows you to work on an open T-sheet for the day as opposed to the template used to create the T-sheet initially. If you would like to make adjustments to the entire T-sheet template, you can do so by navigating to Tee Time Management, Files, and T-sheet Templates. In this screen from here, you can make adjustments for this specific T-sheet on this specific date as required. The fields on the screen will be pre-populated with those that were specified in the T-sheet template. Note that mine is background color and text color for the column. Settings for any pre-booked tee times cannot be adjusted. If you make adjustments to the players per bank and T-sheet layout, the selected T-sheet details will update to reflect the change. The top 4 buttons on the right allow you to make adjustments to individual tee times. Note that the online display option and online options will only be enabled if your Jonas system is integrated with Clubhouse Online or Jonas Web Services. The Export button combines all of the settings found in the top 4 buttons above into one screen for quick access. Use the T-sheet Notes button to add notes or review notes to this specific T-sheet. Once you have made your adjustments, go ahead and click OK to save. If you want to delete a T-sheet, select the T-sheet date and then click the Delete button. And in the pop-up, click Yes to proceed. Note that if you try and delete a T-sheet that already has reservations, a pop-up will indicate that those reservations need to be removed before the T-sheet can be deleted. For more detailed information on the settings on the screen, watch the video entitled How to Create a T-sheet Template.